Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, gap up, and then the price continued up even during that first 30 minutes, and then finally kind of acted human again and went sideways. But the nice thing about this is, the price not only maintained its gains, but actually progressed forward. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but I'm sure some of you that have traded have seen stocks that gap up, and sometimes they don't even gap and run. They just gap up and then right back down they go. Or sometimes they gap up and run and then they totally roll back over. Not the case here. The price gapped up, actually ran, and then sure, it got kind of quote-unquote boring right here. But I say that in a good way because at least it went sideways and got boring at a much higher level. Again, that'll mean a little bit more to those of you that have been trading for a while and seen different situations. But good solid move here. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. Ideally, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above $6.60, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, $6.60 would make the chart look the best. Next level of support after that, down there at the $6 mark. So $6.60 and then $6, two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that line is way down there and the price is way up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards. And the very simplistic way to look at the big picture here is that as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? Key area right now, and I'm sure if you're watching level 2s today, then you're well familiar, and I'm just kind of trying to take a middle ground, but right up there around $7.20. Multiple times today, the price tried to get up through that area, and you can see just couldn't quite get through it. So $7.20, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today, so we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.